Hi guys, today I'm going to make my favorite turkey burgers. From my turkey burgers need radish, carrot, cucumber, sweet pepper, 2 cheese, tomato, butter, and bread, turkey, mayo, salt, and pepper. And of course need grill. I'm today cook first time outside. Okay guys, right now I need a little wait from my grill go hot. Okay guys, right now I'm go season my turkey burgers. Need just salt and pepper. Okay guys, right now I need flipped turkey and next side same season. Okay guys, turkey ready, my grill almost ready, and soon I'm gonna start cooking turkey. So my grill ready, I'm gonna cook turkey. I'm gonna cook from 175 180 degrees inside. I'm gonna cook 5 minutes from one side, flip, and go cook second side 5 minutes too. Okay guys, my turkey inside. Right now I'm gonna close and wait 5 minutes. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna make my crazy bread. Why bread crazy? Because I'm gonna use my favorite American cheese with my turkey, and I'm gonna right now use mayo. I'm very love mayo because it tastes so delicious. It's my favorite. Okay, one side and two side. Okay, mayo pretty much fun. Right now I'm going to use pepper. Like this much. I'm love lot pepper and tomato. Okay guys, right now pretty much ready. My cucumber, lettuce, and radish. I'm gonna use top from look pretty much cool. And little late, told you everybody why I'm up butter. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna flip my turkey burgers. Looks so very cool. And right now I'm go close from next 5 more minutes. I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes and my turkey go very funny. I'm hope so my turkey no flying out. Okay guys, I'm use my turkey with these tongs, and right now here a lot of bacteria. And from this crazy bacteria knows coming in my crazy belly. With turkey, I'm open grill and tongs stay over here and close grill. And inside 175 degrees and go kill every bacteria. My turkey very nice cooking and everything's go very funny. And crazy bacteria knows coming with my crazy belly. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna use butter. Everybody probably talking, where this guy go use butter? I'm right now show everybody. This is my 2 little cubes of butter. I'm open my grills. Smells so delicious. And my turkey no flying out. I'm so happy because I'm today eat turkey night. Okay, right now I'm go up tons butter. Careful. And top to the my turkey. And second too. Okay, right now I'm show everybody why. My dad very lot cooking, and turkey inside normally no juice, and every time juice, and I'm talking, Dad, why you have juice inside? And Dad talking, because I'm use butter. Butter, it's very good idea. Okay, right now I'm go a little second close and wait from butter go inside to my turkey like very crazy juice. My turkey pretty much ready. Right now I'm go open and check inside. Oh, look at my turkey. It tried flying out. I'm gonna move a little bit. And right now from different side look very cool. I'm little change side. If everybody nice see right here, little bit juice right now steam. Okay guys, right now I'm going to check how many degrees inside. Normally 165, 170. Okay, I'm bring in and check how many. 70, 76. It's very perfect. This stuck in. I'm going to check second too, because maybe one waiting, maybe one no waiting. Coming in. 111, 22, 30, 40, 50. Come on, baby. 54, 55, 60, 63, 62. Okay, probably a little more. I maybe go cook like 1 more minute from exactly ready, and go start use my turkey with my crazy burgers. My burger almost ready. Right now I'm go close and wait 1 more minute. Guys, right now I'm go cheese done because my turkey ready. I'm love molten cheese. It's my favorite American cheese, crazy American cheese. Okay, I'm go close and wait couple seconds from this is molten, and I'm go start use with my sandwich burgers with my turkey burgers. Guys, my probably turkey ready. Oh, it's not flying out. I'm thinking it's flying. This is not flying. It's like my grills. Looks so good. I'm go crazy make. First I'm go 1 burgers. Up cucumber and go top cucumbers. Like lot cucumbers. I'm gonna use all cucumber. Right now up second turkey, crazy turkey, and careful top. It's very big and very cool. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna use carrots. I think so I'm gonna use little carrots because too much carrots in my burger flying down, and I'm like, my turkey flying out, what the heck. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna cut my burgers. Oh my gosh, come on burgers. Okay, I got it. And I'm gonna open burgers from everybody. How is looking like inside is so perfect. Looks so delicious. And what I'm go doing right now, everybody probably, I don't know, it's crazy person. I'm up my one side. Okay guys, I'm right now go crazy person. I'm go bite my turkey. Tastes so perfect. So juicy inside because I'm use butter. Turkey very fun. If everybody like this video and want to eat my big burgers with home, don't forget subscribe my channel, take like. In time from this video I have 50 likes, I'm take new video and I'm go cook chicken, and everybody see want how I'm like big chicken burgers. Okay guys, I'm very crazy person. I'm talking from take me like, I'm talking subscribe my channel. I'm ready from sleeping. I'm coming inside, and what happened? I forgot off my grill. It's very bad idea. Need always off grill. Right now I'm go off grill. Because if I'm no off grill, grill go no love me, and next time my turkey flying out. Everybody, please don't forget of your grills and everything's go perfect. And of course, subscribe my channel.